शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all viewers. In today's lecture, we will discuss energy and types of energy. So before starting the lecture, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future videos. Let's start our lecture now. As we all know that we need gasoline to drive a car. Without gasoline, either petrol or diesel, we are unable to start and drive the car. The gasoline provides something to a car that gives the ability to move, or we can say that to do work. That something is known as energy, which is defined as the capacity or ability of a body to do work. There are two types of energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. Let's discuss kinetic energy first. Here you can see that a car is moving with some speed and suddenly collide with a dustbin. The collision caused the dustbin to move. The movement of the dustbin is evidence of work being done on it due to the car. So the car was having the ability to do work due to its motion, which means as per the definition of energy we discussed earlier, the car was having energy due to motion. Such energy is called kinetic energy. So from here we can define kinetic energy as the energy possessed by a body due to its motion, and we can find it mathematically as kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now let's try to understand potential energy. We often heard and read the definition of potential energy as energy possessed by a body due to its position. Let's see, is this definition fulfill the criteria of energy? Let's have a football in position A. After some time, its position changes to position B. As the football has changed its position, but at position B, when set free, the football cannot perform work. So there is no energy in football at position B. It means that the definition of potential energy written here is not fulfilling the criteria of energy. It doesn't mean that the definition is wrong. There is a discrepancy in the definition. Let's try to complete the definition. Here is another example. In this picture, we see a brick, a wooden block and a nail placed on a wooden block. Let's change the position of the brick from ground level, say position A, to some certain height, say position B. Now setting the brick free, the force field, which is the gravitational field, will act on it as per its nature and will allow the brick to fall on the nail. When brick strikes the nail, it penetrates the wooden block. Penetration of a nail is evidence of work done on the nail, which means that the brick was having something which gives the ability to do work on the nail, mean penetration into the wooden block. That ability to do work is called potential energy, which was due to position of the object but in the presence of force field, which is gravitational field here. After this example, now we can identify the missing factor in the definition of potential energy, which was the force field. So the complete definition of potential energy has become energy possessed by the body or object due to its position in the presence of force field. And the equation to find out potential energy is potential energy is equal to mgh. M means mass of the object, g is the gravitational acceleration, and h is the height from where the object is being thrown. If the height is more, then the potential energy will be greater. So this was our today's lecture. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if so, then hit the like button and share it with others, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. When you subscribe, it gives us the motivation to put in our best effort to make interesting lectures. Now we will meet in the next video with a new lecture, so take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.